Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today we're doing this reimagined version of Sally from Nightmare Before Christmas. And in this version, I wanted to make her have a skull mouth and to make it look like her stitches were opening to show the mouth beneath. To start this look, I'm using the light blue face paint from Mehron, and I'm putting this on my forehead and eye area, but not doing the rest of the face yet. For this look, I'm not going to be blocking out the brows, I'm just going to be disguising them with makeup. Then I'm using dark blue eyeshadow, and I'm giving the eyes sort of a rounded look, sort of making a large rounded cut crease type shape. Then adding more eyeshadow above that line and blending it outwards, doing our best to camouflage the eyebrows. Then I'm blending out that darker color with a lighter blue, again going over top of the eyebrows. Then, like you might do with a cut crease, I am going beneath it and creating a rounded shape with makeup remover and a Q-tip. Then removing anything that's inside this rounded shape. Then going inside the rounded shape with the light blue face paint again. Then to exaggerate the round look of her eyes, I'm going beneath my eyes with some white in a rounded shape. Then I make a thin line of black eyeliner on the top lashes. Then going underneath where you put the white with blue. Using the same dark blue eyeshadow we used before, we're lining the bottom lids. Then blending that out with a lighter blue. Then I use some black eyeliner to create the lashes on the bottom lids. Then with the same medium blue shade, I am contouring my nose, making it very thin and pointy. Then using the light blue face paint to highlight. Then using black face paint to accentuate her more pointed nostrils. Now to create the skull-like mouth, I'm going in with white face paint to draw in the teeth. Then filling in between the teeth with a dark blue face paint. Then using the dark blue face paint to create a sort of open mouth shape. This I wanted it to look like her stitches were coming open and revealing the kind of skull mouth underneath. Then I filled in that with the light blue because we're going to be adding darker shadows over top of that. Then with the dark blue eyeshadow, I am going around the opening to create shadow and depth. Then adding some of that dark blue shadow towards the back of the mouth. And as we come forward, blending it into a lighter blue. Then going around the outside of the opening with a lighter blue as well, fading it towards the teeth. Here I'm using white to add some highlights to the teeth and the gum area, trying to make it kind of have a shiny gum-like type of look. Then with a mixture of the light blue shade with white, I'm going around the edges on top to kind of highlight where the edges are. Then I'm adding the line opening on her face. Then I'm adding the stitches. On her face, her stitches are white. On her body, they're more black. On the mouth, I wanted it to look like, again, that the stitches are opening, so some of them look a little bit more loose. And then the ones towards the mouth are broken. And one of the ones on the side, I added a little thread between them. Next, I added some dots to kind of show where they're attached. Then to give them some dimension, I added a black line to one side as sort of a shadow to make them appear a little bit more 3D. Then made the line around her neck and chest area, trying to follow hers as best as possible, and then adding the black stitches. I kind of wish I did white here because I think the white ones turned out a little bit better. And to highlight those, I just did a little line of white. Then next we draw on her shirt, which is sort of in sections with different colors and patterns. I fill in this shirt section with yellow, as well as one of the sleeves. Then I fill in this sleeve with a green shade. And the middle section with pink and a swirl pattern. Then add stripes to this one sleeve. Then I add a red wig, which I really don't like. This is the only red wig I had though, so you have to use what you got. I know the wig's a little bit crazy, but try to ignore it if you can. And that completes this reimagined Sally with a skull mouth with her stitches opening. I thought this was an interesting idea and wanted to see what it would look like. Let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys again soon.